Come on, no poopy in the shot, no poopy in the shot, no poopy in the shot. Ah! Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to install a relief valve on your outside sewer cleanout. It's called Sewer Popper and it can save you thousands of dollars of damage if you ever have a sewer line backup. Let's flush the toilet in here and follow the water and I'll show you where it goes. And then we'll install the Sewer Popper and I'll show you how it can prevent sewage from ever backing up into your house. Let's go. Now where you find that is on the side of your house, and you want to locate where your cleanout is. Now if you can't find yours and you think your grass is covered over it, you can use a metal rod like this and stab at the grass until you get a different sound, and then that's how you know where it is. Or alternatively, you can take a big screwdriver like this and stab at your grass until you start hearing the knocking noise, and that's how you can locate it. And there's usually one by the front of the house. And you can see how here I have another one where it's close to the street where the sewer is. I use my trimmer and I trim around it. I don't let it get covered over like my neighbors here, because I want to be able to find it if I ever have a backup. I can send a snake right through the line. Now my biggest worry is as the water comes this way, if you have a tree like this, where they planted right over where your sewer line goes, the roots could break the pipe, back up the sewage, and then it can go into your house and cause a lot of damage. That's why you want to install the Sewer Popper, because all the sewage will come out here versus in your house. Check out this example animation from Joan Stevens. A tree root blocks the sewer line and sewage backs up inside your home. But with the Sewer Popper, which is essentially a relief valve, if a backup happens down the line, it will open up, allowing the sewage to spill out on your lawn versus in your house. A nice cost-effective solution. Look around your whole house and find your main sewer line cleanout, and you want to find the one nearest to the structure. And all you do to open it up is take some channel locks and unscrew the top, and that's it. The plug could look like this one, like in my front yard. Because there's so many different plugs or caps, they sell a special wrench to remove or install them. But you can think of something similarly shaped, even a piece of scrap wood for this one-off situation, without spending the money. Now I ordered this from Home Depot. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. It can't be more easy to install. You literally just screw it back down. And so if your sewage backs up, this pops up like this and lets it out before it enters your house. And you have the 3-inch and the 4-inch, and you literally just screw it right where the plug was. Now they sell different brands of this. You don't have to get the Joan Stevens one. They have different brands. But I ordered this one from Home Depot. You just screw it on like that, put the cap on, and that's it, guys. Now, if I ever get a backup, because this tree breaks my line, that will pop up and let all the sewage come out here. And it sits low enough that I can still cut the grass and the lawnmower will go right over it. Now real quick, if you see something like this, a sewer popper is different than a backwater valve, which mainly protects low areas and basements from backflow or waste from street sewers. Inside, it has a flapper which allows the flow of fluid to only go one way. So that's it, guys. I hope you see how easy it is. Spend a little over 30 bucks and save yourself thousands of dollars. You just don't want to take a chance. So I hope this information helped. Please remember to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe to watch more home DIY videos just like this one. Put any questions in the comments and maybe I can help you with your project. Click on any of these links on the screen to check out my other home DIY videos. One, I show you how to fix a toilet flange at my mom's house. The other, I show you how to replace a shutoff valve. Thanks again for watching. Bye everyone.